everyone and welcome in this new video. In this video, we are going to talk about variable assignment. Variable is one of the most important things when you work with programmation because it will allow us to store some data in variable. So it will allow us to store information to work with it later. And it will be very essential when we code. So first, we are going to see how to create a numerical variables. So it is very easy. You just have to put a number. So for example, variable or x, and you put a value. So if I want to create another variable, I just have to put, for example, y. I put also 6, and I can print the two variables. A very interesting thing is that if you have two variables which are numerical variables, you can use all the operation between numbers that we have seen before with the variable. For example, if I want to add x plus y, I can do using the plus operator. So it is very easy. Now we are going to create a f string because in the previous video I have said that before the variable assignment video, the f string is not really important. So now we are going to see the power of the f string. So I create a date variable using a string, a simple string. I create a price, and now I will create an information using a f string. So we create an f string, we put, for example, Tesla, and now we want to put the price of Tesla at date. So if we print info, we can see that we have the value of these variables in the string info. And the really interesting thing is that later, when you work with, for example, real-time data, these variables will change each day, for example, and they will change automatically. So this string is always true, and you don't need to change anything. So for example, if I change the price, automatically the info string will change also. So it is very, very interesting and really important to master. To illustrate the Boolean case, I want to use a little example. For example, hypothetically, you have an algorithm and it works. So each day you want to run your algorithm to take some orders, but you can take orders only if the market is open. And we have only two different cases, which are market is open and market is not open. So to see if the market is open or not, we are going to use a logical operation and store the result in a Boolean variable. So, for example, now it is 1 p.m. 52. So we need to see if the market is open or not. And the market is open if time is greater than 8 a.m. and time must be also lower than 7 p.m. And if we display the market open variable is true, because this array is containing by 8 a.m. and 7 p.m. If I put, for example, 8 p.m., we have as result false, because okay, time is greater than 8 a.m. but isn't lower than 7 p.m. So variable is the most, I think, important thing when you code. So it is very important to master it and to see again this video if you're not really comfortable with this notion, and even go on YouTube, for example, to see other videos, because it is really the main point of all programmation language.